Xiaomi 14 Pro and Huawei Mate 60 Pro. Two beast camera here on my hands, and the performance are really great. Xiaomi having Leica as their partner, Huawei having X-Mate with them. Could Xiaomi be better than Huawei this time around? Let's find it out. So today we'll be going over these two phones and see both of their performance. Now, looking at these two photos, you would see na almost the same sila. But if you look at it closely, si Xiaomi, you would see yung building tsaka yung sky is much more overexposed as compared dito kay Huawei. Si Xiaomi, makita mo, medyo mas maganda ang kanyang mga leaves dito. Though both picture, finocus ko sa building, you would see na yung details sa building dito sa Huawei is a lot better compared dito kay Xiaomi. On the same photo, using the ultra-wide lens, you would see the same result din. Si Xiaomi, makita mo medyo mas saturated ang colors ng mga dahon and mga puno. Si Huawei, yung mga details na pagdating sa building and pagdating sa cloud, it's a lot better. Now, pagdating sa kanyang 3x zoom shot, you would see the same result din. Si Xiaomi medyo mas maputi, si Huawei medyo mas yung natural color ang mabibigyan niya sa'yo. And if you zoom both photos, I would say na almost the same naman. Malinaw pa rin and usable ka ng photo, but I like the natural colors better dito sa Huawei. Now, if you zoom it up to 10x zoom, same pa rin ang kanyang result. And pag zinoomin mo pa siya, makita mo na almost the same din ang result niya. Parehong malinaw. Now, if you look at these two selfie shots, well, si Huawei gives me that better and more natural colors dito. And si Xiaomi is a little bit more beautified and mas lighter ang kanyang color. Now, looking at indoor shot, itong dalawang food shot, pag tinignan mo mabuti, it looks almost the same. But if you focus it a little bit more on the sashimi, makita mo na medyo mas shiny konti, mas natural konti yung kay Xiaomi. Medyo siguro na-enhance siya. At pag tinignan mo, mukhang mas masarap tingnan ito kay Xiaomi dahil sa kanyang enhancement. Ito kay Huawei, medyo mas dull konti. Pag tinignan mo of both photos, pag ginawa mo sa pang-advertising, definitely mas gusto mong kainin itong kay Xiaomi. Equally said din dito sa Baki, ganun din ang result pag tinignan mo mabuti. Pati dito sa potato shot, mas masarap tingnan nga talaga yung makakuha ni Xiaomi. Pagdating sa indoor na selfie, si Huawei still preserves yung mga details sa aking buka. Mga pores, mga pawis, lahat kitang-kita kay Huawei. Kay Xiaomi, medyo mas smoothen na talaga mukha ko kahit nasa indoor tayo. Now, on both of these Christmas trees sa indoor, masasabi ko doon na parang maganda tingnan kay Xiaomi. But if you look at more details, mas maganda ang details dito kay Huawei. And if you look at doon sa likod niya, yung sa mga tiles na dito sa likod niya, yung kay Xiaomi, halos nawala na mga details niya. Kay Huawei, preserve pa rin ang details sa kanyang background. Well, pagdating naman sa night mode, on these two pictures alone, makita mo, blown away talaga si Xiaomi dito dahil mas maganda ang nakuha ni Huawei dito sa kanyang night photography. Eh makita mo yung sunburst effect dito is in effect dahil si Huawei has a mechanical aperture. Si Xiaomi hindi. Eh makita mo mas sharper ang photos na nakuha dito ni Huawei pagdating sa night photography. Yung details na mas maganda talaga. Even on this photo, very evident na mas maganda kay Huawei. Now, pag chinek natin yung video naman, recording of 4K and 60, both looks really fine. But if you look at it clearer, si Huawei medyo may may pagka-focus hunting pagdating sa dalawang video na ito. Si Xiaomi, smooth naman na napansin ko sa kanya. Very stable. Si Huawei, very stable din. Pero may kunting focus hunting na nangyayari sa video. Now, if you look at these two selfie videos naman pagdating sa indoor, parang maganda yung kay Xiaomi this time around. Kay Huawei, medyo mas soft ang video and medyo mas yellowish pag tinignan mo mabuti. Kay Xiaomi, parang preserve ang color all throughout the video and it looks simply better than kay Huawei. So, with that quick comparison, sino mas maganda dito sa dalawang phone? Well, honestly, ang hirap sabihin na mas lamang si Huawei or mas lamang si Xiaomi. On equal footing, si Huawei pagdating sa rear camera did perform better, lalo sa kanya night photography. Pagdating naman sa broad daylight, almost the same, pero it seems to me na mas maganda, mas natural makakuha ni Huawei. Si Xiaomi, pagdating naman sa mga selfie photos, it seems to me na it took the better selfie photos, surprisingly. And this is the first time around na by 4K and 60 ang video ni Xiaomi using the front-facing camera. If you ask me, overall, I'll pick the Huawei Mate 60 Pro as the better camera among the two. So kayo, ano napili ninyo? Comment on the comment section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a subscription to this channel would definitely be appreciated. I'll see you on the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.